Sustainability meets soul when we embrace pre-loved decor. Sourcing vintage or antique pieces prevents high-quality craftsmanship from going to waste. These items carry a history and a patina that new products simply cannot replicate. At Victoria House, we believe that mixing the old with the new creates a rich, layered aesthetic that is both eco-conscious and deeply personal.